Fellow farmers, this is Paulito Kamau from Kenya, Nyandarua County, Jabini location. I'm at a place known as Mukono in Uganda, Uganda. I've just brought an animal to Mr. Enoch. I want to introduce him and say how we have been talking and how we have delivered the animal and how he feels. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Enoch.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
My name is Enoch in Kazenga. I'm grateful that Paul has delivered my animal. The way I picked it, it is the same animal he has given me. And the good thing is about honesty. He delivered what he promised me. So I urge every farmer out there to try him. I just got him his phone number. I contacted him. And he gave me a few days, and now today he has just delivered the animal. So I'm really grateful for his services, for his honesty, and his capability, because he never asked me for any money that send me transport, do a deposit on the cow. No. Upon delivery, then I give him what we had agreed upon. So I thank him very, very much.
Thank you.
And I urge everyone to use his services. Anything to do with the dairy is at your service. I normally feed my animals with Napier. We normally use organic farming, and thanks to a great man, he's a mentor to me, Mr. Kachika. I use the organic farming, we use the Napier, and we outsource some feeds around and we give our animals. That's why they are performing very, very well. Challenges, of course, there are diseases, much as we are on zero grazing, but we get intruders like dogs, they bring the ticks. So even if we spray, eventually we get East Coast fever. Then human resource is also another challenge. Then the price of milk. So those are the main challenges that I normally face. I try to put a fence around to stop the dogs and the cats from entering into my farm. Then another thing, I try to use a network of professional people who try to help me in whenever I'm getting challenges in my farm.
Thank you, farmers, for always trusting my work. I'm really happy and appreciate. If any farmer there want an animal, I'm here for you. We deliver the animal, you pay in delivery. You just select the animal, then you pay on delivery. Thank you.